Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. My alarm here is beeping for EUR-AUD short, so I'm gonna record the entry. Here's the reversal candle, here's the red candle underway now, and the alarm is beeping for a short, so it's a perfect short setup. So let me record it just to show how to make the entries with this alarm, with the help of this alarm, right? So let me just okay. I don't know when the entry is gonna come. It should be coming soon, but you know what? I really have to go, so I'm not gonna wait for this red candle to finish. I'm gonna open the trade anyway, and then put the SL a little bit higher here, around 25 pip. Okay, and then let it ride and see what happens. So let me just open a trade here now. Okay, no problem. And then I'm going to put the SL here, which is 27 pip. Okay, it's a little bit higher because the red candle is not finished yet. We have to see if the first red candle is at least one candle finishes and the second start already, and then it's supposed to open the trade. But I have to go immediately for something. So I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna stop the recording now. Not stop, but I'm gonna pause the recording, and I'm gonna shut this alarm up now because it's gonna bother me all the way. So this is how you shut it up. You see the candle is coming now down. So we'll shut up. Give me the entry anyway. So alarm is false and no more alarm beeping. So the alarm is gone and the entry is being made. Stop loss is there, and I'm gonna go and finish my prayer and then come back. All right. So I'm gonna stop, pause the recording till then and see what happened. And then when the trade happens, maybe somewhere here, then I'll start the recording a little bit and then again pause it and then just like that, little by little, finish the video. So bye for now, and I will come back in a few minutes. Pause. I'm gonna pause the recording. Hello everyone. I'm back, and I just started the recording again. Now, this short here that I took is based on the chart I made on Saturday, last Saturday, showing and telling everyone that this thing is gonna go to the upside. Where the chart go, it disappeared. It looks like it's just gone. It's not here. Is this the chart? There's nothing to show. Okay, so I'm gonna just close this chart and let me open it up for you guys. I think it's on a desktop, and that was EA on 17th. It's not here. Pair charts is there. This is the, okay. This is the one. Okay, this is the chart I made on the 17th, showing that it is going to be dropping from here. Then on the 19th, I made another chart after one day. It's already almost finished here, Monday. And then I said I will be looking for short setups if trend line holds and price starts to drop. That was on 19. And then 20, yeah, means yesterday it was all ranging. And you can see here, this is how it is. This ended up like this. The Monday, this was Friday, this candle for Monday, then this is Tuesday. This is how it ended up. And now on Wednesday, 5 o'clock the day starts, and this thing start dropping after on the back of the Euro news. Euro start getting weaker, and this thing start dropping, and then you can see it's a drop. It went up a little bit, and that's where it's making a short setup. This is the drop, and then it's a short setup. So I was expecting this short almost like 3 days now, right? So it was all ranging Monday and Tuesday, and now finally it dropped. So let's see if it goes, if it has any leg at all, and it goes down, right? If it goes down, where the heck it's gonna go? The day started here. The high of the day is this. The pair has the daily range of 140. So if you count 140 from the top, is this probably just above it? That's 140 is like around this area, right? So 148.05. So let's say 148. And my entry is here. So now I don't have much to make here. Let me see. 148 would be right around here, right? 148.05. So total is like 65 pip maybe. So I'm probably gonna get 65, 70 pip trade if it goes all the way here, maybe. Try to go to S3, right? This is pivot, this is S1, S2, and they might try to go to S3, if anything. So 65 to 70 pip trade, probably I'm gonna get as for today. And then later on, let's see what happens. So if the entry would be here, then it would be, I would have more chance to make more. But this is how I operate. And for today, the daily range, if it is gonna drop to daily range is 140, and this is what I have left here out of the daily range. So let's see. I will be having a target somewhere here. Let's say I'm not gonna put the target here because sometimes the target is reaching the trade get closed. I need to trade to be open, and so that I can record it. So I'm gonna leave the recording now here again. I'm gonna pause the recording, and let's see if we get there. Then I'll show start recording again. All right. So bye for now, and now I'll be back. Pause recording. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again. I'm back. Just recording a little bit update. So this trade is still going on. The entry, the entry I made earlier, and then pause the recording because its market is really, really slow, and this thing is going really slow. But yeah, slowly dragging to the downside now, right? So I'll be moving my SL a little bit low like this, right? Lower, and then once we take this low out, then I'll come and sit maybe like 5 or 10 pip risk kind of thing. Daily range is like 140, 150, 140 actually. So 140 is coming maybe like around 148. And right now I am at 48.50. So what I will do is 50 more pips, and I'll probably close the trade because it's not worth it. The market is really slow, and from my entry to 48 would be 65, 67 pips, 70 pips, something like that. And that's fine. In the slow market, that is fine. My idea is just to show that how you anticipate based on, like, for example, my daily chart. Remember, I made the chart here. What the heck is that? Oh, not this one. This is the USD chart, EUR-AUD. I just posted on the Telegram because it's just below parity, and I think it's going to hold here and then go up, whatever. EUR-AUD, this is the one right now. This is the chart I made first on 17th, then when it was here, then on the 19th, then it was here. Now on the 20th, I made the chart where the third candle hit the TL and then stays below. And today now on the 21st, you can see that it is coming down. So let me see if I can show you again, that chart there. Well, the one I made on, you see that on the 19th is here, right? So this is how it is. So based on this analysis, it's going to make a turn to 4 hour. After that, it's ranging. And then this 20 minute, not 4 hour, I mean 40 minute chart. And then 20 minute went down, gave me the entry here, perfect by the book entry. And I took it and I recorded it. And now it's coming down. So I'm recording it now. Let me see if I even start recording. Yeah. And so I'm going to stop it again. And then, like I said, my target is somewhere here, 48 or maybe even. this S3, whatever it is. What's this in there? 47.90. So no, not a big deal. Maybe it'll come down all the way to S3. All right. So after a little bit more drop, then I'll record it again. For now, I'm gonna go away again. Pause the recording, not stopping, pausing, and then we'll come back after a few hours. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again. Resuming the recording. So this entry, we came down here, we went up, and now we came down here to our S1. And in fact, sorry, S2 right now here, S2. But I'm gonna wait for a little bit more, and then probably I'm gonna close this, whatever it is. The reason the market is not moving, actually, it says so far is only 30 pip. 30. Usually this pair and pound Aussie, EUR-AUD, they give me around 100 pip easy. But now what it is that today we have FOMC, the very big news after NFP, right? The second biggest news. So market is just waiting for that. For the last 2 days, the reason that everything is ranging is because of the FOMC. And after that, hopefully the market is going to move big time. So if it drops a little bit more, then fine. If not, then I'm going to close it. But what I wanted to show in this video is how to use this alarm and how to make the entry properly, right? So I think I did it. I will do it again later on. But for this one, like I said, that before FOMC, definitely I'm going to have to close it. But maybe I'll close it in a little while, because I know that this thing is not going nowhere until FOMC comes. So at least it drops a little bit, a couple of times, one, and then second A, B move to the downside to S2. I was hoping that I might be able to get to at least 4,800, but it's right now it's 48.39. So let's see. Maybe we'll dive one more time around maybe 1:30. I'll close it. If not now, I'll close around 1:30 before 2 o'clock, before the news breaks, because after that, God knows what's gonna happen. So, but yeah. So this is what it is. I'm gonna let it go for a little more, and then see what happens. But you got the idea that this is how the alarm beep, and then this is how I make the entry. There are several other, GJ short I have, and I have pound Aussie short as well, because Aussie getting a strong, not really, but but pound Aussie is also not moving at all, right? So the setups are there, but they're not playing out. At least this one play out a little bit, right? 30, 40, 30 pip, 35 pip only. But I don't even show my trades around that kind of pipage, right? You never see me making the charts and showing that, yeah, okay, this is traded for 30 pip or 35 or 40 or 45. At least it has to be at least 50 pip. Like I had a couple of them. By the way, when it was turning to the downside from the top, I made an entry from a 7-minute chart. Let me see if I have it here. So right here, I guess. Right. No, this is EUR-USD, man. What's up? This is also today's trend. EA 7-minute. Where the heck is that? Yeah, daily. Okay, it's not here. Let me show it to you anyway. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, so this is what I got already here, and this is the second one from the 20-minute chart. But I already had this one from the top, 2 entries from the 7-minute chart. This one, and then I made another entry here, and then close here. Right. So yeah, I already got this pair for something. And this is currently it's a second entry here. This was the move when it was coming from the top, 7-minute entry. I got it, and then I cash out here. Then it went up for 15-minute entry, and this is where the entry was. And then I got in here. It went up, and my SL is still there. But yeah, if it drops a little bit more below this S2, Yeah, I will come and sit on break even. After that, let's see what happens. All right, so I'm gonna close it now. I mean the recording, and I'm gonna wait for a little bit more. If it drops, if fine. If not, around maybe 1:30, I'm gonna close it anyway. All right, so I hope that I showed you what I wanted to show. Like I said, that the alarm, before the alarm beeping, making the entry, putting the SL, all of that I showed, and then this is how the trade works, right? Unfortunately, it's a bad time, bad day. It did move much, but usually after I make the entry like that in this kind of pair, EUR-AUD or pound Aussie, within hours I'll get around 70, 80 pip, and then 100 pip, even more than 100, because these pairs have more bigger daily range. This pair has daily range around like 140, pound Aussie even more. So getting 100 pip trade out of these, not a problem. But the idea is to get the entry, proper entry, right? For example, if the trade is dropping and you make short here, that you will have at least 40, 50 pip negative against you. That's I don't want. Right. So my entry is that you make an entry 25 pip SL and it goes your way, fine. If not, SL hit, fine. Thank you very much. Right. And if it goes my way, I know what the daily range of each and every pair. So I'll maximize it, 70, 80, 100 pip, even more. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys soon. Hello everyone, Sam is here again. This is going to be the final recording. We'll end the video here. It went down a little bit. I recorded the chart for 50 pip. It's gonna go one more time to the downside here, and maybe I'll just close it here now. So I just showed you that this is how I make the entry and how I do the trading. Systematic, on the basis of this chart I made earlier, right? And I showed you the couple of versions of this chart that I was waiting for. And let me see, where's I think this was the chart. Yeah. I made it for on the 17th first, and then the 19th, and then 20, and it's like it's been slow, very, very slow for the last couple of days, very ranging market, but still came up with that recording. I'll make some more recording later on when the market is fast. That will be much easier. This was just nonsense, but I did it anyway just to show, because there were a couple of people really asking that, if I can show from start to finish. So here I am doing it and did it, and I'm going to close it now. And because I need to get a little bit of nap before the FOMC. So I'll get up in FOMC, then 4 o'clock, I have to do a webinar, my regular Wednesday webinar, and, for my subscribers. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. We'll end the recording and the video here.